I can't believe it's happening. Good morning everybody, and I can't believe I'm saying this, but today I'm getting married. It's just gonna be the civil wedding this time, but hopefully next year we're gonna make a bigger party. So today is 16th of August. I'm in Paris. We are getting married in Paris, and I just did my makeup and I'm waiting for my parents and my friend to come and help me just with my hair and in general with the dress. The dress is not a big wedding dress because I wanted it to be short and simple, and especially for this civil wedding I feel like it's something more simple and more elegant, and so that's how I chose my dress and my shoes. Shoes, I think if you've been following me, you probably saw in some of the previous videos because I showed it to you as soon as I got them like 2 months ago. But the dress actually was made in Belgrade. We're gonna go to search for the fabric for my dress for my civil wedding. I just couldn't find anything that I liked, so actually I asked the woman that was making my prom dress to do this one as well, and she said yes. So it was all made by my wishes, and I hope you will guys like it as well when you see it because I love it, especially the back. Our marriage is the first one because you get like time slots, so we will be there at 9:30, and then after that we are gonna have like a little party, but we are not making a big thing right now, as I said. It's gonna be very simple, not a lot of people, only a few people that like are here in Paris already, and our families that came, so 10 to 15 people maximum. So I think it's gonna be fun. I don't know what to expect even in the municipality because I honestly don't speak French. I understand better than what I speak, but it's very, very little as well. So I think we will have one of our friends being the translator, and then I don't know what to expect, like what I have to say, because of course this is my first marriage. So anyways, it's also exciting, and yeah, I slept well. I'm not like stressed or anything, so I think we're doing fine. Just one little thing is that this today is cloudy. All week in Paris was like over 30 degrees and we were dying, and I wanted to do vlog of taking my family around a bit and what we did in Paris, but it was just so hot, so I was a bit stressed as well about all this planning, and because we had to organize everything ourselves in case I didn't do the vlog. So voila, this is the vlog from Paris that you've been expecting for a long time, but now it's cloudy and I hope the sun comes later because we want to do some nice pictures. The marriage is at 9:30. I have to pick up my flowers at 9:10. That's a bit last minute, but we will send maybe someone else to pick it. It's just around the corner from the municipality, but that one thing is stressing me out. But hopefully the flowers are nice. I chose them a few days ago, so let's hope so. See you later. So this is gonna be my bag, and these are my shoes that you probably saw in the vlog, as I said. And then I'm gonna have this little thing on my head, like actually this mesh goes in the front because I didn't want a veil and stuff like this, because my bag is very open, so I didn't want something to fall on my back. And actually the earrings and the necklace are from my mom and from her wedding, so it's very, very special thing to wear as well on mine, and I think it's so cute and it matches perfectly the pearls on the shoes. And this is the bracelet actually that my future husband's mom made me, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear it immediately because my sleeves on the dress are a bit long, so I can't have any bracelets or watch. It's just not gonna be visible. So I'm gonna see if I'm gonna put it over it or just maybe later on the after party. But in general, this is the vibe because I wanted the accessories to be more catchy, full of pearls and stuff, and the dress to be more simple. So yep, I love this shoot. So here we are ready and on our way to the municipality. We made it on time, of course, everything was fine, and I'm gonna play you some shots now to enjoy the ceremony as well.
Et Anna Grigorievitch ont déclaré l'un après l'autre vouloir se prendre pour époux. Prendre pour épouse mademoiselle Anna Grigorievitch. Oui, bonsoir.
Oui, bien sûr.
I'm not gonna lie, it was a challenging thing to get married in French when I really don't speak this language, but it was interesting and the ceremony was super nice. They were all so nice and gentle, and we were happy to have all the people who came here. And for everyone who wanted to be there but couldn't make it, I made a video call so they could join us online throughout the whole ceremony, and I think that was super cute as well.
Okay.
Dun, dun, dun. As soon as we stepped out of the municipality, we found our friend with a big surprise. I mean, not as big. I knew a bit about it the day before, but I didn't know how this bike is going to look like exactly. He came up with this idea to rent this bike with a cart and drive us all around Paris, which was super funny. I kept laughing all the time because I just couldn't believe that we are actually doing this. It felt like a really unique experience to do this in Paris. We found some spots to take pictures, and even though we didn't have a professional photographer, our friends were more than professional. They really did an amazing job taking pictures all around, and I'm super happy with how they turned out. And then we headed to the after party, or food workshop party as I like to call it, where we all sat down and made some amazing food inspired by my Pinterest board. I really had a cute vision that I wanted to do it everything myself, but it just wasn't possible to do all this the day before. So we asked people if they are willing to do it all together, and in the end we just had so much fun doing it like this. And after that I was throwing my flowers as the tradition goes, so my friend caught them, and the whole day was just very fun. I hope that everybody who came had fun as well. And I hope you enjoyed watching this mini vlog. This day was super fun to me and I wanted to capture it and have it here forever. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye bye!